Hey there, welcome everyone, guys. This is Asgroup. I'm Shambo, and today I'm going to begin a new series in our channel. The series name is Unity Topper. In this series, we will show you, or rather, teach you everything about Unity, Unity basics, to the, and it will take you from a Unity beginner to being a Unity pro. And on. So today I'm going to tell about game development. So what the softwares you need for game development, how you can begin as a indie game developer. Indie means independent. First of all, you need to have a little bit of knowledge about the C language, C++, C sharp, or JavaScript, because that's the basic language people do coding in for the games. And now there are tons of softwares that you can use to develop games. Mm, they are usually called game engines. That's the popular name. The game engine list is very long. It includes Unity, CryEngine, you've got Unreal Engine, Godot Game Engine, RPG Maker, and tons, and even Love Engine, and ton others. Now we will mainly focus on Unity throughout this tutorial series. So here's how you can download Unity. You need to first go to unity3d.com. So as you can see, the latest version of Unity is 2018.1. This is released. There is also 2018.2 that's in beta stage right now. You can download Unity. Unity has got tons of tons of features, and it has got a low learning curve, and it's best suited for beginners. As you can see, 2018.2 beta is already out. You can do tons of things using Unity. Okay, and Unity has got a great assets. Unity has got a great asset store that will provide you with tons of assets that you will need to start your game. They've got the 3D game kit, the 2D game kit, the, if you got, and that's free, absolutely. That's it. If you use that asset, then you do not need to fret. You can just get yourself going with a full-fledged 3D or 2D game in no matter of time. Now we will also do a live stream on our Summer Quest Season 2 this month, showing you how you can create a Unity full-fledged third-person game in Unity only using assets from the asset store. See, there are tons of assets. Most of them, quite a lot of them are paid, but maximum are free, and free things are also great, just great as the paid packages. Now, you know that we need to make our game in Unity, but for making a game, we will need models or sprites. Sprites are the 2D things that you need. That's the artwork. For artwork, you can go for Affinity Designer. You can go for Affinity Designer. Here's Affinity's website. This has been made using Affinity Designer. Here's it's also available for iPad. This is Affinity Designer. Website's cool too. You can make great illustrations using Affinity Designer. You can also use Photoshop. That's just classic. You can use Photoshop. That's just a classic. Now this was for 2D sprites. Now what you can do for 3D, you can go download Blender because it's free. That's As you can see, blender.org. Wow, Blender 2.79b, that's the beta version, is out now. Here's, you can do various things. See, these things are made in Blender and they look goddamn cool. Now if you've got some money in your pocket, then you can go for 3ds Max, Autodesk 3ds Max, or Autodesk Maya. They're equal, but Blender is free, open source, and equally great as them. Now, we also have a little tutorial on modeling in Blender, low poly modeling. And if you are used to modeling in other things like Maya or 3ds Max, don't and very much used to the shortcut keys for them, don't fret, they're also here in Blender. As you can see, when Blender begins, here interaction mode, you can choose Blender 3ds Max Maya. This will simply change the shortcut keys you can assign. Click anywhere and you're done. It's very simple. Though I don't like actually 3D modeling, but quite a lot of my friend likes. So here you go. That's how to create a simple. I'm going to show you how you can create a simple rock. Create icosphere. Go into sculpt mode. Pretty much done. Start pulling up from here and there. Make a random thing, and all the edges will be pulled out. Pretty much making it look like a rock. And yes, a low poly rock, because low poly is the newest thing. And to export, you simply need to go File, then Export, and choose your type. That's it. I will close it. Yes, I've closed Blender. Now another thing is the Magica Voxel. It's also a great tool. Using Voxel, you can create very basic models only using a cube. That's it. You can make basic models using a cube. So here's Magica Voxel. You can it from over here. I will give all the links down there in the description menu. Magica Voxel, you can create anything. They're pre-made few things like the castle is pre-made. I've made this bridge over here, this basic building. You've got a knight, old man. I don't know what this means. This has been made only using cubes. Yes, you heard me right. Using cubes. Now what's F-Trace? That's written. You've got a. Oh, I made a simple fence. It looks like a hashtag. I made this fountain too. We also have a tutorial on Magica Voxel 2. A Monument Valley scene. Moon Valley level 10. And here it is. Ooh. Another Monument Valley level. That's pretty much the beginning level. We got nature. I don't even think this looks good. There's road I made it. Here's a shelf and a teapot made using blocks. You can increase the size over here, reducing the size of the blocks, and create shapes like round 2. This was all about Magica Voxel. You can save a voxel file over here or export it to these different formats. We've got OBJ that can be imported into Unity. Now we're done with 3D modeling. Now, how do we even go into scripting? I don't know how Unity works. You've got Unity documentation that you can also download via the Unity installer. This is Unity manual. You can search anything over here. Here's scripting API, which will help you learn about all the scripting things. You can just, and Unity answers is very helpful for all of this. Now, for audio, there are various places where you can get paid audio, like there's Audio Network, where you can pay few things and get good audio for your games. But now, what do you know? That you are an indie developer, so you really don't have money. But here you get paid music. You don't want that. You want free music. That's why you've got Jamendo. Jamendo has got free music from indie artists and from stock professional artists too. You can go into indie artists and get some great music for free, and you can use them directly into your game without getting a copyright act. Okay, now you've got music, you've got 3D models, you've no scripting, you've got a game development engine. Okay, so you began developing your game. You've made your game. Now, where do you publish it? Everywhere you go, it seems that everyone asks money. Play Store, you gotta pay $25. That's $25. Apple App Store, Microsoft Store. Where do you upload your games? That's why you've got itch.io to our help. That's itch.io. Here you can create an account simply and start uploading your games. These are all indie. These are all games by indie developers. You can upload paid games over here too. Get paid, have fun with, and now as you can see, you can get donations and all. Like we have our very own page on itch.io. That's isolationmedia.itch.io. You got all these games and an asset package too. That's FPS asset. This FPS asset got loads of script. That's you've got enemy AI, you've got shooting script, you've got a mini map, ammo count, animations, crosshair, a demo scene, all for just $5. You can get this if you want and start building your own game. So this was all about the first episode of Unity Topper. In the next episode, I will show you how you can download Unity and set it up for your use. Well, thanks for watching. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel, hit the like button, and share about this to your friends. And go game developing. Thank you.